up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Mela Mishi, and your girl's coming with a full afro out here today. Yeah. Now, don't ask me how my hair got to this state in the first place because I don't even know myself. What I do know is my hair is dry, it is crusty, it's obviously not defined, and it needs a wash. I'm gonna show you guys how I go from this dry, expired afro to juicylicious curls. To revive my curls again, I'm gonna use a Bentonite clay mask. Now, I'm sure you guys have seen this all over YouTube, and if you haven't, but even if you don't know about Bentonite clay mask, that's okay. Today I'm going to show you all of the beautiful qualities that this detoxing hair mask has to offer for our natural hair. And just all around gorgeous. Okay. To make this mask, you're going to need some Aztec clay. I would highly recommend this brand in particular. I've tried cheaper alternatives in the past, but I just haven't got the same results with them. So check this out. I will leave all the information in the description bar below. Next, you're going to need some apple cider vinegar. And I would recommend the Bragg's brand because it's raw, unfiltered and organic. And I just find, again, that I get the best results with this one. Final ingredient for this is plain old water from the tap. Now, the amount that you'll need to make for this hair mask will depend on how long your hair is, how much hair you have, and other varying factors. Use my recipe as a guide, but there's no like wrong or right way to make this hair mask. Just kind of eyeball and see how much you think you'll need. Whoopsie! There's still a couple of lumps, but this is a good consistency for me. It's kind of like a thick yogurt texture. To make your life that bit easier, I would recommend sectioning your hair into 4, 6, 8 sections, just to help applying the mask evenly. Cool. Before we go in with the hair mask, I'm just going to spritz my hair with water just because it helps with the detangling process. I'm just going to split the section in half. Oh, I should have warned you guys before. This is quite a messy process, so just beware. I feel like my mixture is a little bit too thick, so I'm going to add a bit more apple cider vinegar and water. So it's a much runnier consistency now. Let's try this again. Hopefully this will be a bit easier to work in. There we go. I don't really get why I'm able to detangle my hair with this clay mask, but it's really easy. Can you just wait until it's done? Is all I have to say. It's literally gliding through. Okay, so I've done half my head. And this is the thing that I like about the mask, because it's white, I feel like you can see every single curl. Let me take this bit down. How insane is that? I'm just gonna do the other half of my hair and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So it's all in. Just when you thought I couldn't look any more weird right now. Well, hello there. Right, so I'm looking like a maniac. I'm gonna leave these both on for like 20 minutes and then hop into the shower, do a deep conditioner, and then I'll come back and show you guys what I've done. Okay guys, I've just come out the shower. Please don't mind how red my eyes are. My allergies have been acting up, so. But spot the frizz. Spot the frizz, I dare you. And at the back of my hair, I have really, really tight curls. Every single curl is defined. Look at that juicy, oh my God. I do this once a month, but it never fails to like amaze me how amazing it makes my hair feel. Guys, my hair is so soft. I wish YouTube had the technology for you to just reach through the screen and feel, because it's just insane. Even though this mask is amazing, I always go through with the deep conditioner after, just to restore the moisture back into my hair. I mentioned before it helps retain moisture, but I feel like it doesn't necessarily add moisture, so I'm not gonna miss that step. It's still really crucial, so I don't want to butcher this name. This mask though, this is the one, so I'm gonna use this. Okay, I'm gonna put the masking now. I'll show you what I do with my hair in the morning, so I'll see you later. Hi guys, so it's the next day. The sun is going in and out of the cars right now, so I apologize if the lighting is shambolic. Let me just face my light. I put my hair in a deep conditioner last night and let it kind of just marinate overnight, and just did a quick wash and go with like a little braid at the front. I'm just about to go to my auntie's house, which is why I haven't got like any makeup or anything on, so please don't at me. Yeah. But yeah, as you guys can probably see from this wash and go, I mean, the shrinkage is real. The shrinkage is really real, but my curls are just popping. And if you guys are wondering how I achieve this wash and go, definitely go check out my video. I made a video already on how I achieve these like super defined curls. Obviously the bentonite clay did help, but it also is to do like product combination in order to maintain these kind of curls. So yeah, so I'm gonna wrap up the video now before I head out. Video pretty much self-explanatory, and you saw the results that I got, so hopefully you guys will give it a try yourself. Yeah. Oh my god, it's a little bit weird like that. So yeah, I hope you guys will give it a try and make it part of your routine as well. Don't forget to show me love on this channel, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.